Rust removal products are everywhere right now. But one product getting a lot of attention online is Iron Eraser Rust Remover. The ads make it look almost magical. Spray it on, watch the purple reaction happen, and suddenly years of rust and contamination supposedly disappear in minutes. But here's the real question. Is Iron Eraser actually legit, or are people misunderstanding what this product really does? Because once buyers started leaving reviews and complaint posts online, the situation became a lot more complicated. Before we go further, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. Iron Eraser is not really a traditional rust remover in the way many people expect. It's primarily an iron fallout remover. That means it reacts with tiny iron particles and brake dust contamination sitting on surfaces. When the chemical reacts with iron particles, it turns purple. That visual effect is what most ads focus on. But here's the problem. Many buyers see the words rust remover and assume the product can reverse serious corrosion or repair metal that has already been damaged by rust over time. In reality, deeply corroded metal usually requires sanding, restoration work, repainting, or replacement. No spray alone is magically reversing heavy corrosion. Now here's the bigger issue. Customer reviews are heavily mixed. Some users report excellent results when cleaning wheels and removing brake dust contamination. Others say the product did very little on actual rust spots. That split feedback is important because it explains the confusion behind many complaint posts online. The product may work for decontamination, but not necessarily for full rust restoration the way some customers expect after seeing the ads. That alone is a major red flag for buyers expecting dramatic before and after rust repair results. Another concern is the marketing itself. The name Iron Eraser Rust Remover creates expectations that may go far beyond what the formula is realistically designed to do. So, what's the final report on Iron Eraser? Based on the available evidence, Iron Eraser does appear to be a real iron fallout cleaner, not a fake product. But the advertising and branding may lead some customers to expect true rust repair capabilities that the product simply cannot deliver. In other words, it's probably not a scam. But whether it feels misleading depends heavily on what buyers expect it to do. If you've tried Iron Eraser yourself, share your experience in the comments below. And if you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell,